we're gonna learn how to convert a fraction into a decimal. We just see how many times this 2 divides into this 1. So we've got the answer. We're done, right? Well, not so fast, guys. What is up, you load ups? My name is Mohak, and yes, today we are going to do a video. But guys, this is gonna be a totally different video from what I did before. Now, I done gaming videos, I done challenges, I done vlogs, and I done a theory video, also reacting videos, but I have not done an educational video, guys. This is my very first educational video I'm going to do, guys. You're going to learn about math, because in the very first video I said, I like math. I said that. I like math, but we're going to learn how to convert a fraction into a decimal. So that's what we're going to learn. And let's start. Like I said, we're going to learn how to convert any fraction into a decimal. And it turns out to be really simple. All you have to do is divide, guys. Since a fraction is really just a division problem, if you go ahead and do the division, you get an answer, and that answer will be the decimal value of the fraction. Now, there's 2 ways we can do the division. The easy way and the hard way. Now, just because I'm a mean boy, I'm going to start with the hard way. So, let's take the fraction 1/2. This is the fraction 1/2. So this is it. And convert it into a regular division problem with the division symbol. I'm going to convert it into this. This is how you do it. Division problem, guys. This is the division problem that we need to do. All we have to do is follow the procedure for division. We just see how many times this 2 divides into this 1, but it won't divide any time because 2 is bigger than 1, guys. So it looks like we're gonna need some help, and that's where the decimal point comes in. So we know that 1 could be written as 1.0 or 1.00 or 1.000. And its value is still 1. So, let's try doing the same thing here and see what happens. After the 1, let's put a decimal point and then a 0 in the 10th place. 0 in the 10th place, guys. That's it. Now, our division problem looks like 10 divided by 2. Kind of looks like 10 divided by 2, guys. And that's easy to do. The only difference is we have a decimal point. Let's ignore the decimal point for a minute. So let's pretend that this decimal point isn't here. So let's just say that it is really 10 divided by 2. So 2 will go into 10 5 times. 5 times, guys. 2 will go into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 equals 10, so we just do a minus sign here, and let's say 10 because that equals 10, and that leaves no remainder, see? Because 10 minus 10 equals 0, yeah. So we've got the answer. We're done, right? Well, not so fast, guys. We've got that decimal point to deal with. We still got this decimal point, alright? And we know that 5 can't be the answer because 5 is bigger than 1/2. We just need to include the decimal point in our answer for it to be correct. We put it directly above the decimal point in our answer, so let's put this decimal point right here. There. Now our answer is 0.5 or 0.5, which is a more proper way to write it. So let's say 0.5, and that is exactly 1/2. So, by dividing, we figured out that the value of 1/2 is 0.5, guys. Now let's try converting a fraction like, let's say, 3/4 by dividing. Alright, so, I'm gonna erase this because we already got this. Alright, 3/4 Oops, what am I doing? Alright, 3 by 4. And again, we run into the same problem. 4 is too big to go into 3. So it looks like we're going to need a decimal point here too. Alright, so let's add a 0 as well, guys. We also need to add a 0, and it makes 3.0. Let's go. Now our problem almost looks like 30 divided by 4. Now, if you remember your multiplication table, you'll know that 4 goes into 37 times, because 7 times 4 is 28. And let's say, alright, so we just need a minus 28, which equals to 2. Oh no, guys, but we don't need that for the remainder. And we also, look, we need 7 here, because 7 times 4 equals, But it equals to 2. We have a remainder, guys. Oh no. So we have to keep going. 4 is too big to divide into 2. So the only way we can get rid of the remainder is to use another 0 in the hundredths place. Like this. Add a 0 to here. And it kind of looks like 300. Now we can bring down that extra 0 right down here to make the remainder look like 20. And 4 will go into 25 times, because 5 times 4 equals 20, guys. Alright, so we just minus this, and that is 0. And also, yep, 5 times 4, so boom. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, that leaves no remainder, baby. But don't forget, we need to include the decimal point in our answer. Well, I almost forgot, guys. Now, if you've kept your columns lined up like I have, well, it's really messy. You'll see that the decimal point goes right here. Right here, guys, right here. So we just need to pull it up like this. We did do the half. We did do 1 by 2. Do it like that, and that makes our answer 0.75, guys. 0.75. Alright, let's convert one more the hard way. Let's find the decimal value of 1 by 3. Oh god. Okay, again, 3 is too big to divide into 1. So yes, 3 is too big divided to 1. Oh. So we'll need to use a decimal point and another 0, which makes our problem look like 10 divided by 3. So like this. That's easy, guys, alright? So 3 goes into 10 3 times, because 3 times 3 equals 9. So we just do minus 9. Also add a 3 here. Okay, that's a 1. Just like before, we don't need to use a remainder, so let's use another 0. So let's use another 0, guys, just like we did to 3 4, so let's use another 0. Okay, so it's not 0. I know this is blocking the way, just ignore this. So another 0. And that, we can just put it here, guys. We can just put it here. Oh, but, wait up. 3. Huh? Wait, it's the same. So we do 3 again. And then you just minus 9. Guys? Yo! It's the same! It keeps going on forever, guys! Yeah! Oh gosh, dude. What happened? Well, I think some fractions are like that. It keeps going on forever. So the decimal value of 1 by 3 is 0.333. And 3's that keep going on forever. So we can just say 0.33, guys. And we can just use a special symbol, this line on top of this 3, and that means this number repeats forever. So we don't have to keep writing 3's, okay? And so far, we've been doing it the hard way. But now, guys, we're gonna do it the easy way. And that easy way is the calculator. So let's search up calculator, and guys, let's convert it. So let's try to convert 1/4. Okay, so you just do You just do 1 divided by 4, so 1, boom. Oh no, actually, what am I doing? Okay, 1 divided by 4, 0.25. And then, to convert into 2/3, we do 2 divided by 3, which equals 0.6666666666666666. Well, the sixes keep going on forever, I guess. And looks like we have another one of those repeated decimals. Yep, this way is certainly easier, guys, and quicker too. But it's important to know how to do it in both ways. The 5 fractions that we've converted are so common that it's a good idea to memorize their decimal values. Here they are again, so you can review them. So 1/4 equals to 0.25, 1/3 equals to 0.333333, 1/2 equals to 0.5, 2/3 equals to 0.66666, and 3/4 equals to 0.75. So that's how you convert any fraction to a decimal, guys. You just divide. In the next section, we're going to learn a few tricks that we can use to help us compare the value of fraction. But before that, let's do a quick review. To convert any fraction to a decimal number, all you have to do is divide the top number by the bottom number. Usually, when you divide a fraction, you need to do decimal division. By using the decimal point, you can keep writing zeros in the decimal number places and continue dividing until you have no remainder. Sometimes decimal division results in a pattern that keeps repeating forever. When that happens, you can draw a line like I did with the freeze, and it just means it keeps going on forever. Once you know how to do decimal division, I recommend that you convert fractions using a calculator since it's quicker and easier. And as always, be sure to do the exercises. And don't forget to practice dividing the hard way too, because if you're ever stranded on a deserted island without a calculator, you need to be able to do your math homework. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, that educational video of me teaching you how to convert a fraction into a decimal. Hope you enjoyed, and peace. Boop!